let's just take a moment and explore a quiet place, a world that really only exists inside your own mind.
You know that feeling? The one where you just know that the way you see the world isn't quite how others see you?
See, there's this whole conversation happening inside of you, all the time. And it has its own logic, its own purpose.
And yeah, sometimes you might even say those thoughts out loud. It's not because anything's wrong, it's just hearing them helps you make sense of all the noise.
It's really just a way of giving shape to your thoughts, turning something abstract into actual words, so you can find a clear path forward. Because your mind, it doesn't just see the one question, does it? No, it sees every possible answer, every single consequence, all at the same time.
So, is that overthinking? I mean, that's what the world might call it. But what if it's just deeper thinking? A mind that just naturally has to explore every single angle before it can settle.
And well, a mind like that, sometimes it just needs silence. It really needs space. That's why you walk alone sometimes. It's not about escaping other people, not at all. It's more like a return to your own thoughts, to that quiet place where ideas can finally connect.
And in that quiet space, small talk can feel, well, just empty. It's like a distraction because you're busy searching for something real, something with actual meaning.
Because what you're really looking for is depth. You're seeking meaning. And ultimately, you just want to build a real connection that comes from that shared understanding.
So this whole search, it creates a different kind of focus, doesn't it? It gives you a way of seeing the world that is completely uniquely yours.
So, yeah, where the world might just see a messy desk, you see a map. It's a system, right? A map of what's important to you in this exact moment. It might look like chaos to them, but to you, it's just efficiency.
And what about when a new idea grabs you? You don't just dip a toe in, you dive in completely. You get to explore these new worlds with this intense curiosity, just for the simple joy of understanding it all.
So let's just pause here for a second. What if all of these things aren't actually things you need to fix? What if they are simply you?
Perhaps these habits aren't strange at all. Maybe they're just signs of a mind that works in deeper ways.
Think about it. That inner conversation, that's what brings you clarity. Those quiet moments, that's where you build your ideas. And your focus, it's always on what truly, genuinely matters to you.
So no, it's not strange.
And it's not something that needs to be fixed. It is simply your way.